Hi, I'm Lucia. This is my little buddy Ria. Ria, say hi. And we are going to paint a fern leaf. Come on, let's go. Here are the materials we will need. I got different kinds of leaves. I love this, is one of my favorites. But I decided that today we are going to paint this beautiful fern. First, we need to draw the fern leaf. Remember, draw very lightly. Next step is drawing like drops. Small drops.
Misunderstood. He takes care of us all.
Some are big, another is small.
He always comes through. God is good. Someone started a rumor that's gone and consumed us. That God is like an old angry ruler, hobbling around like a cripple.
Today I'm going to use Winsor & Newton Sap Green in tube. I put a lot of water, little by little. I am adding the color. I want that my green will be a little dark. I'm going to use a little brown. I'm going to clean my brush first because the brown is too dark. And I need to add little by little the brown into my green. Now I like to see the color. I want a little more dark. Okay, this is the color that I want to use first.
He always comes through. God is good. He always comes through. God is good.
Now I only want to paint drops. Oh. Before the water dries, I want to make some leaves darker. I'm going to put more color in the water and a little more brown. Okay, this is the color that I want. Now I want to put little drops with this darker color. I want to put some yellow too. And I will go to do the same in another leaves. We are going to repeat the process in the rest of the list.
Somebody's waking up.
Uh-oh. To finish up, I'm going to paint the stems. I changed to a smaller brush. I love how the colors mix all by themselves. Now, before the paint dry, I'm going to put a little yellow in the stems. Only some drops. I'm going to put a little dark green in the stems too. When the paint is dry, we need to erase all the pencil marks. The last thing is we need to put our signature. Thank you so much for watching the video. My little buddy is ready to eat again. He just woke up. Don't forget to like the video. See you soon.